A very good afternoon to you. Let me start by giving you a very brief update on our view on the markets. I'll then follow up with what we intend to achieve with our MK Connect conference. Despite the run-up that you've seen in the market, we are fairly constructive. You need a couple of things to click in the right direction. Look at the macro that we are talking about. Rupee, benign inflation, very stable current account deficit, and above all, a very, very strong, accelerating global economy. For a long time, I don't think we've probably seen micros tending in the same direction as macros. All the leading economic indicators, high cyclical frequency indicators are almost firing. Earnings explosion. 90% of the earnings have outperformed expectations. Thirdly, I think the most critical thing, and we've seen these elements of this in the budget, is a very, very strong political alignment to the economic growth outlook. So I think these three pillars are going to set the trend for the outperformance of the economy and thus the markets in the coming years. Obviously, this doesn't mean that the markets have to perform every day over the next few months. We don't have a great call on what the markets can do in the near term. But if you take a 2-3 year perspective, then I see very difficult to hazard a guess of why we would be wrong in terms of the expectations on the market performance. Finally, this is obviously trying to get a sense of the economic indicators, and then we try and want to see how the anecdotal evidence looks like. And that is where in our MK Connect conference comes. We did this way back in the festive season when we had sort of aggregated a number of dealers across a spectrum of industries ranging from consumer durables, automobiles, financial services to get a sense of what is happening on the ground. I think it's time to revisit that right now. We will have again a sequel of MK Connect on 19th of March, and I am sure that we are going to get many insight in terms of how the companies are doing, how the economy is holding up, and this obviously helps us to be far more better and informed investors. Thank you.